So hello everyone, I'm Bernie and this is another episode of the Pixel Art Game Develop. But before we continue, I wanna cover who am I, where do I come from, and why do I doing this. So I am currently living in Hungary, I am 13 and I am at elementary school. And that's it. One more thing, recently I got a comment that my style is very similar to Denise style, and thanks for that feedback. I'm trying to change on this thing. And now, let's get into it. This video is going to be short, like really short. All I did in this 3 weeks is created a stupid inventory system. So first I tried to copy a tutorial from YouTube, but this don't went out great and it was really complicated. So I tried to make my own system. I first got item picking up working, which is working really great, and this wasn't too hard. Then I posted on Instagram asking for some help to my followers for the style of the inventory, and somebody wrote a really great comment that I could make a Skyrim styled inventory, which is basically there are sections. So there is swords, for example, shields and potions, and under these sections there are the things that you can use and you have. And I think it's a good idea, so I'm going to focus on this in the next weeks. But let me explain the inventory system a bit more. So what I did is basically all the items that are collectible has a script on it, which defines what type of item is it, what sprites it has, and how much is there from this item. And when the player collides with this type of item, it gets the information from the script, and based on that it pushes the sprites in the inventory and the amount to the text next to the item. So yep, that's it. So if you for some reason like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And again, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!